Hey, have you picked up your copy of The Mysterious Language of Dreams yet? In this book, I go more in depth about dreams and dream interpretation than I do on my YouTube videos. I talk about the depth dimension of dreams, dream layers. I talk about the time dimension of a dream. Also, dreams and the imagination, which is quite interesting. I also have put over 40 real-life actual dreams that people have dreamt in the book for you to practice your interpretation skills. Also in the back of the book is a dream dictionary with over 400 dream symbols. So I've left a link in the description box below where you can go and pick up your copy of The Mysterious Language of Dreams today. Marriage is a commitment and covenant between a man and a woman. The Bible says that marriage represents the love relationship that Christ has with the church, and you can have a dream where God is letting you know that He's getting you ready for the love of your life. So let's talk about dreams that reveal God is preparing you for a kingdom marriage. Someone once said that opportunity does not waste time with those who are unprepared. In the same way, God will take you through a season of preparation so that you can be ready when your future spouse arrives. Ecclesiastes 3:1 says, "To everything there is a season and a time to every purpose under the heaven. And if it's God's will, there will certainly be a time for you to marry." But marriage is a sacred union between two people who are committing themselves to love, serve, and honor each other. For that reason, it's God's will that you be fully prepared and ready for your big day. So, we're going to talk about 5 dreams that reveal God is preparing you for a kingdom marriage. Number 1, cleaning your house. So in a dream, your house can represent your life. So cleaning your house can be symbolic of preparation to receive something new. It could be speaking of making room for someone else to share your life with. 2 Timothy 2:21 says, "If anyone cleanses himself from what is dishonorable, he will be a vessel for honorable use, set apart as holy, useful to the master of the house, ready for every good work." So cleaning your house in a dream can be showing that you're in a season of marriage preparation. Number 2, grooming. Grooming is the act of personal preparation, which includes good physical hygiene and a neat and tidy appearance. Grooming can also mean preparation and training for a particular purpose or event. This reminds me of the story of the 10 virgins in Matthew 25, which says, "Then shall the kingdom of heaven be comparable to 10 virgins who took their lamps and went out to meet the groom. 5 of them were foolish and 5 were wise. For when the foolish took their lamps, they did not take extra oil with them. But the wise ones took oil in flasks with their lamps." So the 5 wise virgins were ready to meet the bridegroom who represented Jesus. So if you have a dream where you're getting dressed for an event, or you may be putting on accessories, styling your hair, or putting on cologne or perfume, this could be symbolic that God is preparing you, or He's encouraging you to become emotionally and spiritually prepared for marriage. Number 3, throwing out trash. You can have a dream where you're throwing trash away, you're throwing away bags of garbage, you're getting rid of old stuff, maybe even some broken objects. This could mean that God is encouraging you to eliminate sin or negative emotional issues such as anger or depression, anxiety, or even low self-esteem. These negative issues may be blocking you from receiving your kingdom spouse. In Ecclesiastes 3:6, it says there's a time to keep and a time to throw away. So dreams where you're throwing away garbage or you're throwing away a bag of trash can be showing that you need to get rid of emotional baggage in order to prepare for your kingdom marriage. Number 4, marrying someone you wouldn't be attracted to in real life. So in this type of dream, you're being pursued perhaps by someone you're not attracted to, or you see yourself marrying someone you would never choose for yourself in real life. Perhaps you have a picture in your head of how you want your future spouse to look, but in the dream, they look nothing like your ideal person. Now, keep in mind that God doesn't choose your future spouse based on looks, but according to spiritual compatibility and purpose. And he wants you to be ready to receive whomever he chooses to send into your life. So dreaming that you're marrying someone that you're not attracted to, or someone is pursuing you in the dream whom you would never be attracted to in real life, God is encouraging you to be and to stay open and willing to receive whomever he has for you. Number 5, you're helping, assisting, or serving someone. So you can dream that you're helping or serving someone in some capacity. This type of dream is showing that you have a giving spirit. It shows that you're not selfish or self-seeking, and that you have a heart to love and serve your future kingdom spouse. Ephesians 5:22 and 25 says, "Wives, submit yourselves unto your own husbands as unto the Lord. Husbands, love your wives, even as Christ also loved the church and gave himself for it." So dreams of assisting or serving in some way can be revealing a heart in preparation for a kingdom marriage. Here it is, Understanding the Language of Dreams, Course 1. In this course, you'll learn why dreams are so mysterious. You'll learn about the 6 visional states taken from the Bible relating to visions. You'll discover the different domains of a dream. You'll also learn how to determine what role you and others play in your dream, which is important for correct interpretation, and much more. I've also included fun exercises so you can practice what you've learned. Just click on the link below and get your course of Understanding the Language of Dreams. Have you had any dreams where God is preparing you for your kingdom marriage? And how are you, if you're single, preparing for marriage? I want to hear about it. Leave it in the comments section. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and hit the subscribe button and become a part of the Dream Team. Turn on your notifications so you won't miss any upcoming videos. I'll talk to you all next time.